Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today we're going to do a nice little summer natural look. So this is the makeup that I would do during the summer months. So I try to keep it light and simple and easy. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and showing you guys just like a simple natural look that you can do using the minimal amount of product. So during the summer months, I like to use a couple different little primers, and these are the e.l.f. primers, the e.l.f. putty primers. And one is a matte primer and one is a luminous primer. So I will take the putty primer and I'll put a little bit on my nose and a little bit on my forehead. And this is the matte putty primer that I'm using in these areas to kind of just keep the shine down a little bit. Then I'll go in with the luminous putty primer and I'll put that all over the rest of my face. A nice light foundation that I like to use during the summertime is this Neutrogena Healthy Skin. I use it all year long, really. This and my CoverGirl. I do use this more so in the summertime because it is a lighter formula, and I do just like how it feels nice and light on my skin, and it covers up everything that I don't want showing. So I like that about that too. So I'm going to go ahead and get this on my skin, and we will move on to what I do next. I do go in with a lighter concealer too. I'm using the Haley's Rewind concealer, and this is actually a really nice light concealer. So again, it adds to the lightness of the makeup and it doesn't feel like you're putting a whole lot of stuff on your face. So I'm going to go ahead and get this blended in and we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so I'm now going to fill in my eyebrows, and sometimes during the summer, like if I'm not working, I won't fill in my eyebrows. I'll just do a nice light layer. I am working, I do lightly fill in my eyebrows to just keep that natural look kind of going. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of bronzing to my skin, and I will normally just keep my skin like this. I don't usually do blush during the summer. I just keep my skin looking like this. I do like the way the bronze look looks on my skin, and I kind of feel like if I deepen this up, it looks like I have blush on my cheeks too. So it kind of like a 2-for-1 deal. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is just kind of add a shimmer shade to my eyelids. I don't like doing a whole lot of eyeshadow during the summertime because unless I'm working, I'm not out and about doing much, but I do want something more on my eyes. Sometimes I'll just leave my skin or my face like this and go about my day, maybe put some lip gloss on, and I'm done. Like, that's it. But today I'm just going to show you, like, I usually will take like a champagne color or a pink color. So like here are two shades that I like to use for summertime looks, and they're just nice and light and airy type of shades. I'm going to go in with the pinky one today. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my eyelid. And this is pretty much all I do. So there it is. Like, that is all I do. Sometimes I add liner, sometimes I don't. Today we'll add a little bit of liner, and it'll just be like a thin liner, and that's it. Okay, we have a little bit of liner. I'm going to add some mascara, and I'm going to add lip gloss, and we're going to be done. And then this is it. This is all that I do during summer months, is just as light and as easy and simple as possible. So let's do some mascara, let's do some lip gloss, and call it a day. Okay, so there it is. And I usually don't add any eyeshadow or anything underneath my eyes either, like you normally see me do in my videos. This is really what I do. A little bit of a shimmer shade on my eyes, a little bit of liner sometimes, and some mascara. And now I'm going to add a lip gloss, which I love this Goddess lip gloss by Almay. I think that's just what it's called, the Goddess gloss. I don't even think there's an actual shade on it. I'm not sure. If there is, I can't read it. So I just take that, put it on my lips, and like I said, we're going to call it a day. So my little lip gloss is on. I do love this like shimmery lip gloss with the shimmery eyes. I do like that look. But this is my summertime look. Again, I mean, it's not natural, but it is simple, and it is the least amount of products I can use to get a nice nice even look to my skin without it looking like I put a ton of makeup on. Normally I never wear eyelashes during the summer, like fake eyelashes during the summer, unless it's like a wedding or some type of party where I want to look a little more glamorous. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.